Now, many of you will know that Firefly is a second sub-brand that NEO intend on starting with the deliveries in the first half of next year, 2025, which is something that is pretty exciting. You will know that this model or the sub-brand, it is expected to range, or price-wise, it's expected to range between 100 and 200,000 RMB. And judging from what we saw on ONVO, which is in a price range of 200 to 300 RMB, but with bars, it is starting at 149,000 RMB. It makes us wonder the kind of price that Firefly will start at with bars, battery as a service, which is something that to get to think or come to think of what we might see. Yeah, we need to brace ourselves for what's coming, because that car, one thing for sure is that with bars it will be below 100,000 RMB, which therefore it will bring some serious competition into car companies like BYD, car companies that are selling a mass market brand within the range of the Firefly model. So I'm happy, I'm excited about this, and the reason why I'm telling you about Firefly today is because there is a video that is trending on the streets of social media, a single screen, which is showing the final test drives. It looks like NEO, it is busy with the final preparation of the test drives, test driving this model, which shows that they are almost coming to the end of the test, and after that they will be doing an official launch of this Firefly sub brand. You will know that the relationship of Firefly to ONVO will be that of Lexus, Toyota and Suzuki. The relationship will be similar to those three models that are being made by one company, which is something that is pretty exciting, and it is a good initiative by NEO. I mean, Lexus is able to sell over 20,000 annually of vehicles, and NEO, on the other hand, it's a vehicle that is proving, or it's going for the very first time, going to sell over 200,000 in terms of sales they generate this year, which is something that is just amazing, and it makes us wonder the kind of sales that we are going to see coming from NEO in the next year, because sales wise we know that NEO is a company that continues reporting a solid growth, which therefore going into next year, this is a company that will do very well also in terms of sales. ONVO, I don't want to talk about it more because we know the potential that lies within this model or that model, because price wise it is very competitive, but it has got the looks, it has got the technology, plus it supports battery swapping station, which is something that, of course, with all those three, blue sky is coming. We are definitely going to see that model helping NEO getting to profitability. Firefly, you will know that when it comes to battery swapping station, they will not be sharing battery swapping stations with NEO, which is something that some of the investors are not really understanding why is the case. Well, it might be because of the chassis. The chassis for the Firefly might be smaller and therefore won't be able to fit onto the NEO current battery swapping station. NEO has said that Firefly needs smaller battery swapping stations, which makes sense because they are smaller cars, right? ONVO, it's a car which is quite big, which is why it shares a battery swapping station with of course, NEO. And hopefully before Firefly starts with the selling of this model, they would have started deploying battery swapping station that will help the Firefly users to be able to go to a battery swapping station and swap the batteries in their car. So I'm happy, I'm excited, and I just thought I'd just give you this quick updates to you, because I realize that there are some people that are still negative onto Firefly and they don't realize the potential that lies within that Firefly model, because as I was telling you just now, that model price without a battery, I foresee it going below 100,000 RMB, which will be a massive catalyst, which will make that car to do well in terms of sales. I think we should brace ourselves for what's coming, and this is another model that is going to help NEO continue to see massive growth. And the fact that we saw NEO reporting their deliveries together with ONVO, or adding ONVO to their deliveries, we are going to also see NEO adding the Firefly sub-brand sales, which we look forward to, because we will be up to date as to how Firefly, ONVO and NEO are doing on a month to month. So I look forward, I'm excited. I just thought I'd give you this quick updates. You will know that this model, even with the tariff increase which might come into Europe, the new CEO said that this model will still be able to compete regardless of the tariff increase or regardless of the potential tariff increase which the EU Commission is proposing, where this car will still do very well in Europe, which shows you of how competitive it is going to be. I mean, if in Europe it is going to be competitive price wise, imagine the kind of competitiveness we are going to see in China, which just makes me wonder where we are going to definitely see this company NIO going in the near future. So blue sky is coming. Those that are persevering onto the share price, I mean, today share price as I'm doing this video, it's just on a consolidation mode. It's neither up, it's neither down. It's just on a consolidation mode where it closed trading at yesterday, which is something that I think it gives us an opportunity to load the boat, increase our holdings, because we know one thing, and that is blue sky is coming. Those that are taking the trading prices opportunities to buy more, they will be rewarded in the long term. Otherwise, I make tons and tons of stock market investing videos. Don't forget to hit the likes button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Otherwise, that's all from me. I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.